Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Health, Beauty and Mind by Raj. I was just going to make my dinner and I decided to make tofu for myself, and I'm going to share the recipe with you all. Stay with me and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm making a quick recipe for myself. I'm just shallow frying the tofu. It's a regular tofu. Now I have taken out the tofu in my bowl and I am cooking the onion and garlic in my pan. Just roughly chopped onion and garlic. Now my onion is ready and I'm going to add some mushrooms. I just added the mushrooms to my onion, which are lightly brown. Just going to cook the mushroom for some time. Maybe let's say for 1 minute. My mushrooms are cooked. Now I'm going to add some coriander. So now I'm going to add light soy sauce into my dish. Just remember, soy sauce is really salty. You don't want to put too much. And I'm not going to add any extra salt because this will give enough salt to my dish. And I'm going to use my fried tofu. And I'm gonna stir everything together. To add some cashews as well. I like the crunch in my dish. You must already know from my previous videos that I do like some crunchy bits in my food. So now I'm going to add some shallots. And I'm adding almost 1 teaspoon of honey. Gonna be like a salty and sweet dish. And now this is the time to add my steamed broccoli, and that's it. Mix everything together. Everyone is making their barbecue outside, and I'm just making my vegetarian food inside, which looks delicious. So here is my final dish. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You can see the fried tofu, broccoli, my crunchy cashews, onions and mushrooms. And I just topped up with some coriander as well. It looks super delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick recipe. This was super quick and easy recipe and it's so yummy. As you can see, I only added soy sauce, just soy sauce and just all natural flavors, which is garlic, onion, coriander and some shallots. So I love eating simple, yummy, delicious food, which is easy to make and it's healthy. It's very, very healthy, full of healthy stuff. Tofu is good for vegetarians. If you are vegetarian, try this recipe. You can add any sauces you like. You can add chilies, you can add sweet chili sauce or any type of sauces you like, but I like to keep it simple so it's healthier. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Keep giving me love and keep supporting. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel. The subscribe button is just below the video if you are watching my video. And thank you for the support once again. Keep supporting, keep sharing the videos with your family and friends, and keep me motivated. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye.